Eddie Hazzard here in Los Angeles, California at the Automobility here at the LA Convention Center. I'm here with Paul and Alan from RCO Engineering. Guys, tell me a little bit about yourself. What does RCA do and what are you guys doing here?
We get that question a lot. So we're RCO Engineering. We're from Detroit, Michigan. We're out here telling people, we're still making things in Detroit. RCO is a full service design engineering, prototyping all the way through production supplier for automotive, aerospace, defense.
Oh, wow.
But we're doing a lot of work with autonomous vehicles now, with electrification. So this is the place to be to kind of see the latest and greatest. And we're here to tell people, hey, we can build it for you, and we can do it right here in the U.S. and Detroit.
How long you guys been in business?
We have been in business since 1973. So,
wow.
Yeah, we've been known in the business for a while as a prototype supplier, and we're really pushing into becoming more of a production source for these folks.
What's your latest invention here?
Oh gosh, our latest invention. Well, a lot of the stuff we can't even talk about because it's so far out in advance. But we're supporting all of our customers' ideas, products, innovations. So we don't own any of that, but we just help them get it launched.
So how did you get involved with RCO?
I was actually in medical sales prior to this. So as that industry was kind of declining, automotive was taken up, and I took my background from that and started applying it into automotive and manufacturing. So pretty exciting.
What has amazed you since working with RCO?
Wow, I think just the breadth of products we're involved in now. We kind of get, as Alex said, pulled into a lot of different projects by our customers, and we just have to respond. So people kind of know us as the one that can take on the crazy, weird projects and move them into production.
Now I have a question here. You guys are engineers. You have the futuristic stuff. What the heck is hot sauce doing here?
Oh man,
it has nothing to do with
it. It's honestly it's the #1 conversation starter, along with our giant video screen here. Yeah. Every person wants to stop by the booth and see what's up with the hot sauce. So
buy the hot sauce.
A little creative.
Yeah. This is our autonomous that we bring.
Instant autonomy.
Yeah.
Well, if you're going to have hot sauce, you got to have hot wings and.
4 o'clock coming with the beer.
Yeah. 4 o'clock coming with the beer, ladies and gentlemen. Anything else you guys want to say in closing?
No, just thanks for the opportunity. We're enjoying ourselves in LA. A lot better weather here than Detroit, so thank you.
Yeah. You have a website we can reach you?
Yeah, we do. Yeah, if you pan down to that, RCOENG.com. Come check us out.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks, guys.
Appreciate it. A lifetime.
Appreciate it.
We'll be back in a moment.